Hey Chris, we're here at the Everything Electric Canada show, and the Tesla Powerwall kind of caught my attention. Chris, your role at Shift, a company I had not heard of until today.
Yeah, community manager at Shift. So I'm on the marketing side of things, introducing people to solar and Shift online and offline. That's
Okay.
kind of my job.
And the next thing that caught my attention is you have like microinverters on display, roofing, but over here.
Yeah, so we got the Tesla Powerwall, the 2, which I know caught your eye for sure.
Do you do 3s now as well in Canada?
We do 3s as well in Canada.
Great.
They're coming.
And
And this right here is our building integrated photovoltaic panel. So this is, it's Roofit.Solar by Shift. So essentially it is your roof. It is our answer in Canada to the Tesla tile. It is a standing seam metal roof with solar built in. So it installs just like a standing seam metal roof. You can crimp the sides. And then of course you got the PV technology on the panel itself. This one does about 135 watts a panel. The ones we install are actually 8 feet, so they're a little bigger. This is kind of our demo model.
Okay, what happens at the seam then with the next tile?
So right here you can see the next one links up. They kind of connect the gap here, and then they crimp over just like they would any other standing seam metal roof.
Yep.
There's some strapping, 2 or maybe 3, I'm not sure, strapping layers on the back to dissipate the heat, and of course run the wiring to a string inverter. It would have to be a string inverter due to the size of it.
So you have you don't have a string inverter on display here today, right?
No, we just have our AP Systems microinverter, which we use with traditional solar.
Which you also install.
Which
so
we
you have a
also
variety
install.
of products. Yeah, so microinverter here. This is showing clamps. This is like Matt Ferrell's house, if anyone's familiar with his video. He made a new house, metal roof, and it's just a clamp. It doesn't penetrate the roof at all. So it's another mounting style you guys offer.
Yeah, another bonus for sure. And then we have RT Minis on the standard asphalt shingle. We also use a product called Talons, which is more of a flashing system, which goes under as well. So we do solar and energy storage, like we talked about the Powerwall. We do off-grid, but mostly residential grid tie.
So if you're working on a Powerwall, you're installing the gateway, so the Tesla software kind of ecosystem shows in the customer's app, right?
Yeah.
Well, who else do you do business with, like Enphase or anybody else? Or?
Mostly right now we've decided we offer a 25-year warranty on all our systems. So essentially it's a 25-year production warranty. We guarantee what your system will produce for 25 years. If it doesn't, we'll actually cut you a check for the difference. So with that model in mind, we actually want to make sure that we're choosing products that aren't, the cream of the crop or the bottom. We want to make sure they're solid, and they're solid in the middle, and AP Systems is that for us. And so we stand by these. They've been good for us. They keep those repair calls down, and we like the microinverter because we like the DC to AC happening on the roof. So going into the house, it's AC, smaller wire, easier to run, make its way to the panel.
Okay, finishing up with one more question about that kind of install. We're not seeing the wiring on display, but I'm trying to imagine, how do you get into the house? Are you penetrating all the holes come into one spot? Because you got to wire all these out together, and they got to make it through the attic, presumably maybe to a Powerwall.
Yeah.
So there's maybe the one hole in the entire, or a couple holes, or how's that work?
Yeah, myself, I'm actually not familiar with that. I'll be totally transparent.
Okay. That's fine.
I would imagine that they're going to keep it to minimal, and they're going to go for one.
Or they might put in a metal conduit and go around the gutter and get into the house.
Yeah, I mean, our installs, we like them clean.
Okay.
So if we can get in the attic, we're going to get in the attic.
Got it.
We're going to keep it clean. So for those drone videos, it looks mint.
All right. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for your time, Chris.
Shift.ca. We're not in the United States, so I don't know if that's going to help. But we're hoping to be one of Canada's largest solar installers.
Great. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.